welcome back. How y'all doing? So today I'm going to show y'all some hair that I bought and tell y'all the company that I buy it from. So this company, I always buy hair from them, always buy wigs. I was not in the mood to make a wig, so I bought hair. And the name of the company is Queen Beauty Hair. So I have the package here. It took like a week to come. They usually like ship fast. So let me open this. So this is the company Queen Beauty Hair. There's the package that it comes in. In the package you have wig caps. Then you have this here. So I got an 18 inch wig, frontal, not 360 lace, just a frontal. So this is it. So it is. This. And yeah. So I really like this hair. Like, it don't shed a lot, like you can see. The seller, she always responds to you. Well, the one I talked to, her name is Nancy. Like, she always replied to my messages and everything like that, so the communication is really good. And I'm telling you, the hair is really nice. I think I'm gonna dye it red because it's been a while since I had red hair, and I've been saying I wanted to put some red hair in. So yeah, so this is the hair. And I'm going to show you like how I dye my wigs, and I'm gonna put it on. So see you soon. So what I started by doing is I use a foil pan, and I put warm water, and then I add the dye. This is a Door Truly red dye. I add a little bit of the water. And I just mix it up. And to know if this is the color that I really want, I take a piece of paper towel, but you see it's not really red yet, so I add more. So now I'll take the hair and I'll just dip. It's not really the red that I want, so I'm going to add more dye. Oh, this is the dye I used before, so I don't have a lot. I don't need a glove, so guys, I know I said I was going to do red, but while doing it, this color came out, and I was like, I think I like this color a bit, so I think I'm gonna leave it this color. I could add more red to make it like red, but this color looks really nice. So I think I'll leave it this color. It's like a pinkish kind of some color. So I kind of like this color, so I'll leave it this color. So now I'll just rinse it out with conditioner. So guys, my intention was to go red. While doing it, this color came out, and I am in love with it. So I decided to leave it this color. So this is before I cut the lace. I'm about to cut the lace. As you can see, so I'm about to cut the lace and stick it down, and you're gonna see the finished product. So this is the finished look. Like, I left it wet because I wanted like a wetty look. The hair, minimum shedding. Like, the hair is so good. I will leave in the description below the name of the company, Queen Beauty Hair. It's on AliExpress. But yeah, so this is the finished look. Maybe I'll do a picture when it's dry, but for now I'm leaving it like this. So yeah.
Talk truth, them no more than ya. Skin clean, so no sore on ya. Sexy girl. Happy life you live, day now you wanna world it a show. No, them no more than ya. Oh, them for them more than ya. And them no fresher than you. Yeah, she blessed from she birth. Girl, we know where she want, sexy and you cute too. Real bad girl, so you do what you choose to. You tell her girl, chuck off, stop watch her view.
Okay guys, hope you like my video and my hair. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Please subscribe. Bye for now.